First, open Sessionbox and create profile. Then click Manage Proxies below. Click to add proxy. Enter proxy information. Select Sessionbox as proxy type. Then right-click on the peer client to extract the proxy IP and select a port. Click the port forwarding list below. Then paste the copied proxy IP and port into it. Then test the proxy. Enter URL. Select the proxy you just set up. Enter the URL to query the current proxy IP. You can see that the current IP address has been modified successfully.